Part 2 of the nature vlog. So, do a little bit of the front yard, now I'm going to do the backyard. There is a bunny. There. Hello, bunny. It's probably about to run. Yeah. The rabbits are so cute. It's hopping away. Gotta go. Okay. Then I'm going to show you the clouds. Very pretty. Oh, down in here, it's very nice right now. Birds chirping. You can hear that. Slightly. And look at all those little white things on the ground, little white flowers. And then there's some trees. Very nice. Okay. So, my thoughts, how are you? I'm trying to do a little bit of Romanian language in here. I know some words in it. I'm not fluent in it as of now, but just trying to feel. There's a bird's nest up there in this holly bush here. Holly tree. Big tree. Show this in one of the other videos. Okay. So yeah. So I'm going to show you. These are short videos. So see a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.